Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on my go-kart. So basically, right now, I have the parts to install the axle onto the bottom of my go-kart. And so, in the last video, we were working on the steering, and that's kind of where I ended. And then I made a video on the Honda Fit, and there was just some other videos. So, I basically bought 2 of these bearings here, and I bought these nuts that are for the axle. Then I bought this thing right here, and it's literally just a piece of piping, but the bearings fit inside of that little piece of pipe. And so basically how it'll work is I'll weld the pipe onto the bottom of the go-kart, and then I'll put these in there, and I'll JB weld them inside of that pipe, and then that's how the axle will be installed. Okay guys, so here is the 2 wheels, one over there and one right here. And then here's the axle. This axle is 3/4, so this all should fit together. I also broke my toe.